This is one of the results that we get after executing our AI extractor and fuzzy matcher. Now you can see that we are getting our data correctly. But what if you want to change this column name shipment to container number or want to add a fax date here? How do you do that? For that, we have logic node. So what does logic node do? It executes custom JavaScript code to transform, manipulate, and process extracted data. So you can write complete JavaScript functions with accessible to all standard JavaScript features, including loops, conditionals, strings, operations, and object manipulations. And you can test your scripts with actual extraction results immediately. So see your extraction output, errors, and processing times before deploying to production. So let's create a logic node for that. Like we can say mm, my scripts. Create node for that. And once the node is created, okay, so what do we have here? It is a two-step process. First one, we have to choose an extractor from to which output we have to run the scripts on. So I'll choose my extractor AI. As soon as I click on that, I will get the extractor output, the last extracted output of it. What it was, this was the last extracted output. So whatever the manipulation that we will do on this extractor output. So once this is done, let's save and configure scripts. As soon as you land on this second step, you will get this playground here. What do we have here? Let's summarize it. So first of all, we have the script manager where where we will be having handling the scripting. This is where we will be writing our script name, description, and actual script. After running it, we will be getting the output and console. At the right side, we have the extractor output. It will be stuck here to always see the output of the extractor node, which will be taken as input for our extraction, which will be taken as input for our scripts. Okay. Then we have the script section where all your scripts will sit here. You'll see the list of scripts that you'll add here. Now, now you can create scripts you want. Now let's add a script to change shipment to container number. Okay, so I'll write a name to it, shipment to container number. Description: this script changes shipment to shipment column name to container number. Okay, now so here you don't have to write code. Actually, if you know code, if you can write it, feel free to write it. But if you want to generate it with AI, you can do that. So let me do that. So I want shipment property. I want property shipment from the extractor output to be renamed as container number. Make sure it works and changes properly. And let's generate the code. Let's wait for the code to generate. The better the prompt you will write to generate the script, the better it will change it. Okay, so let's save and run script to check how it gives the output. Okay, now this is the script action unlock. It is saying these are the tools that comes between. You can see the script is created here, and you can see the shipment is now container number in the output. You can also check the console here. It is the console that you have written in the script. Okay, now your script is done. You can delete it from here too. So let's create another script. If you click here, you can create another script. The playground is now empty. You can write script here. What I want is I want to add fax date. So fax date. Scripts script adds fax date to the output. I will not write the code. I'll write a prompt. I want to add fax date to the extractor output. Make sure it is today's date with properly formatted, and make sure the code works fine. Let's generate the code. Let's wait it to populate the script section. Okay, the script section is now populated. Now let's run. Okay, now you can see it has added fact state in our extractor output. Okay, great. We have now two different, you can say, scripts here. You can edit a script. If you click on edit, the script will be populated here. You can edit it. You can delete it. If you want to see a script, you can hover over it. Click this to see what was the script, what was the output, and console at the time of running it. Great. Now we have our script created. Now let's add it in our flow to check how it works. Now our logic node is created. Let's add this logic node in our AI extractor flow to see how it manipulates the result. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll cut the connection between fuzzy matcher and download node and add a logic node between it. So let's connect fuzzy matcher to logic node, then connect logic node to download node and select the logic node that we have created. It's my scripts. Okay. So if you click on my scripts, you can see your all scripts that you have created. Great. Let's update flow, deploy it, and after deployment, let's execute it. We'll select the files that we need. Okay, let's select all the files, open, upload selected files. And once the uploading is done, the processing will start. This way, logic node will apply all the scripts to the extractor output and it will give us the manipulated transformed output in Excel sheet because we have selected Excel sheet as our download option. Once our file is downloaded, let's download the processed file and go to the downloaded file. There you go. Now you have fact state and container number as the newly updated data. Fact date, we didn't have it. We added using script or fact date and shipment. The shipment is now changed to container number. This is how powerful the logic node is. You can add any JavaScript logic to it to transform your extractor data. Thank you so much.